it doesn't take so much to convince the audience sa Manila to attend or at least buy tickets or
Yeah, I
attend
heard
gigs.
they're easy to please.
Easier to please sila
Yeah.
compared here.
Diri kay kanang
Dapat nindot ang marketing nimo diri.
Kanang
Kaya dapat nindot ang marketing nimo ana, so you really have to do your kanang groundwork diri to be able to fill out a small event space.
Ngano ka no? What do you think?
Nakoy theory and
Yeah.
everybody knows this sa mga co-producers or katong mga namigo na ako diri. Like first na ako namigo diri kasi sa music scene si Carl Lucente. And then of
Mandawi
course
Nights.
sila Dexter sa Melt Records. And then sila of course si Pasha ana. But ang theory nako is yung level of escapism is mas taas siya sa Manila kaysa diri.
Level of escapism.
Yes. Kanang since sa Manila, like especially sa business districts ba, mataas ang stress ng mga tao. And then of course, ang ilahang escape is to go to enjoy entertainment ba. Regardless of what form that is. Kung banda ba ilang hilig or kanang mas feel ba nila mag clubbing or